Welcome to our plant. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how olive oil is made, step by step. Be sure to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
It begins at first light, where olives are carefully harvested from the trees.
Each fruit is picked at peak ripeness to preserve its natural quality.
Harvested olives are collected quickly to maintain freshness.
They are placed into breathable containers for safe handling.
Organized batches prepare for immediate transport to the facility. Speed is essential as the olives begin their journey. Organized batches prepare for immediate transport to the facility. Every moment counts to preserve flavor and integrity. The journey continues toward modern extraction. From the grove, the harvest moves swiftly toward processing. The journey continues toward modern extraction. Larger carriers take over for efficient bulk transport. Each load is secured to prevent movement during transit. Now the olives move toward large-scale production.
Distance is covered quickly to preserve quality.
The destination comes into view. Entry into the processing plant marks the next stage.
Here, raw harvest meets modern industry.
At the facility, timing and coordination remain critical. The unloading process begins with a secure connection. Inside, the process shifts to controlled industrial flow. Every movement is designed for efficiency and speed. Mechanical handling ensures rapid unloading without damage. Each batch moves directly toward processing intake. The transition from transport to processing begins immediately. From here, the raw harvest enters controlled refinement. The first step inside begins with controlled intake. Initial sorting removes unwanted materials efficiently. Water cleaning prepares the fruit for precise processing. Every surface is cleaned to maintain product purity. Moisture is reduced before the next stage begins. Air systems ensure a controlled, dry surface.
Final manual checks refine the batch further.
Now prepared, the olives move toward transformation. The core process begins as olives enter the crusher. Mechanical force breaks the fruit to release its essential oils. The resulting paste is guided toward controlled mixing. Here, the paste is slowly mixed to encourage oil separation. Controlled motion allows the oil to gather naturally. Temperature and timing are carefully maintained for quality.
The mixture is now ready for separation.
Next, centrifugal force separates oil from the rest. Centrifugal force begins separating oil from solids and water. Density differences allow the pure oil to emerge. The extracted oil moves toward further refinement. Final purification ensures clarity and consistency.
Now refined, the oil reveals its final form.
Stored in controlled conditions, quality is preserved.
Continuous monitoring keeps every parameter within range.
From storage, the process advances into precision automation. Automation guides the flow with precision and control. Each bottle is positioned for accurate filling.
Measured dispensing ensures consistency in every unit.
Sensors maintain accuracy at every step.
Sealing protects the product for distribution.
Automation synchronizes every movement seamlessly.
Operators oversee performance in real time. The process advances toward final refinement.
Brand identity is applied with exact precision.
Every detail is aligned for a consistent finish.
Automated checks confirm each unit meets standards.
Final touches refine the presentation. Precision alignment prepares for packaging. Bundles are formed for secure handling. Heat sealing locks the pack ring in place. Now complete, the product advances to final verification.
Each batch enters a final stage of careful inspection.
Samples are taken for detailed analysis. Laboratory systems verify chemical consistency.
All parameters meet strict production standards.
Only verified products move forward.
Any inconsistency is removed immediately.
With quality assured, distribution preparation begins.
Automated systems prepare shipments with structured precision.
Protective wrapping secures every load for transit.
Handled carefully, products move toward storage. Organized storage ensures efficient distribution. Shipments are prepared for final delivery. Each load is secured for safe transport.
And this is how modern factories produce olive oil from start to finish.
From grove to bottle, every step is engineered for excellence.